Hello teachers-to-be. Today, we will be discussing performance-based assessment, particularly process and product. To start, let me ask you this question: what is performance-based assessment? Let's review some definitions given by authorities. According to Macmillan, PBA is one in which teacher observes and makes judgment about students' demonstration of a skill or competency in creating a product, constructing a response, or making presentation. This means that emphasis is on the student's ability to perform tasks by producing their own authentic work with their knowledge and skills. In addition, Fernan states that PBA is an alternative form of assessment that moves away from traditional paper and pencil test to performance-based assessment. This means that PBA involves students producing a project, whether it is an oral, written, individual or group performance. It processes the creative aspect of the students in bringing out what they know and what they can do through different performance tasks such as exhibits, projects and work samples. Furthermore, Lin posits that PBA provides a basis to evaluate both the effectiveness of the process or procedure used and the product resulting from performance of a task. In defining the purpose of assessment, the teacher should identify whether the students will have to demonstrate a process or a product. Now, let us examine the process and product-oriented performance-based assessment. Process-oriented PBA is concerned with actual performance. The learning outcomes deal on the procedures which you could specify. In this case, assessment should be done while the students are performing the procedure or steps. On the other hand, product-oriented PBA requires students to demonstrate multiple levels of metacognitive skills which require the use of complex procedural skills for creating authentic product. This is the highest level of assessment where the actual student performance is assessed through a product. Next question is, what performance-based assessment tasks that teachers can use in the classroom? Here are some types of PBA tasks for process and project that teachers can use. Solving a problem involves critical thinking skills and problem-solving skills. Completing an inquiry. This is an inquiry task where students are asked to collect data in order to develop their understanding about a topic or issue. Example of inquiries include science investigation, research-based activities, survey and interviews or independent studies. Determining a position. This task requires students to make decision or clarify a position. Examples: case analysis, issue-related activities or debate. Demonstration task. This task shows how the students use knowledge and skills to complete well-defined complex tasks. Examples: demonstrating steps or procedures of cooking, explaining earthquake safety procedures, demonstrating how to set up microscope for viewing slides. Developing exhibits. This task offers to explain, demonstrate or show something. Examples: exhibit of best works, pictures or paintings, projects or even portfolios. Presentation task. This is a task performed in front of an audience. Examples: storytelling, singing and dancing, musical play, or theatrical acting. Capstone performances. These are tasks that occur at the end of a program of study and enable students to show knowledge and skills in the context that matches the world of practicing professionals. Examples: research paper, practice teaching, internship or on-the-job training. To make use of these performance tasks, one should know how to design it. Here are some few reminders in designing performance tasks. To have a better understanding on performance-based assessment tasks, take a look of these examples. If you noticed in the scoring rubric, the criteria were taken from the specific competencies in each performance tasks. Hence, you will have no difficulty in assessing the performance of your students. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something from this quick presentation.